8th class student, exercise 1E. Rational numbers. First question is simplify. First part is 4/9 divide -5/12 equal. Write the both rational number into bracket. 4/9 -5/12. Divide change into multiply. After change the divide into multiply, sign reciprocal of the fraction or rational number multiply by sign. At first multiply the sign, plus minus minus 4 into 12 upon 9 into 5. 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, minus 4 4 जा 16, 3 5 जा 15. First part is complete. Second part. Second part is -8 divide 16 -7/16. Write into bracket, no change, rational number. -7/16 divide change into multiply. Fraction will be reciprocal. -16/7 multiply by minus minus plus 8 into 16, 1 into 7. After multiply, 7 1 जा 7, 16 8 जा 128. You can write the improper fraction in mixed fraction. 7 divided by 128, 7 1 जा 7, 58, 7 8 जा 3, 8 whole 3/7. Second part is complete. Third part -12/7 divide by -18. Write the bracket, -18/1 -12/7 divide change into multiply. First bracket not change and second bracket will be reciprocal. 1/18 multiply by 7 into 18 minus minus plus 12 into 1 6 divided by 2 6 3 ja 18 2 1 ja 2 7 3 ja 21. Fifth part is first question. Fifth part our 16 minus 35 divide minus 15 upon 14. Write into bracket both rational number minus 15 upon 14 minus 16 upon 35. Change into divide 16 upon 35 minus 14 upon 55. 15 will be after change divide into multiply. Multiply the both minus minus plus 16 into 14 upon 35 into 15 7 2 ja 14 7 5 ja 16 2 ja 32 15 5 ja 75. Second question is verify. Verify first part. First part 13 upon 5 divide 26 upon 10 equal 26 upon 10 divide 13 upon 5. Write the bracket all fraction rational number equal 26 upon 10 divide 13 upon 5. First bracket 13 upon 5. At first, what is the change? Change in divide, change into multiply. What happened? 10 upon 26 will be after equal 26 upon 10 divide change into multiply 5 upon 30. Multiply 13 into 10 upon 5 into 26. 13 2 ja 26, 5 2 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2. Multiply 26 into 5, 10 into 13. 13 2 जा 5 2 जा 10 2 1 जा 1 1 upon 1 equal 1 upon 1 left hand side is equal to RHS statement given statement is true. Second part is -9 divide 3 upon 4 equal 3 upon 4 divide -9. Write in bracket -9 upon 1 divide 3 upon 4 equal 3 upon 4 divide -9 upon 1. At first you change the multiply first bracket it is same, second bracket will be reciprocal 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 9 multiply plus minus minus 9 into 4 upon 1 into 3 equal plus minus minus 3 into 1 4 into 9 3 3 जा 9 minus 4 3 जा 12 12 upon 1 equal 3 1 जा 3 3 3 जा 9 minus 1 upon 4 3 जा 12 left hand side LHS not equal to RHS. Given statement is false. Left hand side not equal to right hand side. You write the statement is false. Second, third, fourth part is question 2 -7 upon 24 divide 3 upon -16 equal 3 upon -16 divide by -7 upon 24. Write in the bracket 3 upon -16 -7 upon 24 equal 3 upon -16 divide -7 upon 24. -7 upon 24 it is same, divide change into -16 upon 3 equal minus 3 upon 16 multiply minus 24 upon 7 multiply minus minus plus 7 into 16 upon 24 into 3 equal minus minus plus 3 into 24 upon 16 into 7 8 3 जा 24 8 2 जा 16 8 2 जा 16 8 3 जा 7 2 जा 14 upon 3 3 जा 9 not equal to 3 3 जा 9 upon 14 LHS not equal to RHS that given statement is false. Thank you.